Growth isn't linear, It starts with a dream, as they all do. This one was 4 years ago. Just a tiny leaf. One branch, then two. There were days it almost gave up. But Baba cared for it like it was his own child. He would notice the smallest roots, shift it into new pots when it outgrew the old ones, and shower it with more love and patience than I ever thought possible. And it did work. I guess sometimes you really do need someone to believe in you, to stay with you when you don't look like much yet. Take this little sapling by the window. It doesn't even stand on its own. It leans into the net for support, and for the longest time, I thought that made it weak. But the more I look at it, the more I see its quiet resilience. It did find a way to keep going, even if it meant leaning. Maybe growth isn't always about standing tall on your own. Maybe it's also knowing when to accept help. And then there are the stubborn ones, the ones that start with just a single leaf and then sit still for weeks. You check on them every day, sometimes convinced nothing is happening, and sometimes tempted to give up on them. But then one day, out of nowhere, there's a new leaf, and then another. Until slowly, without you realizing it, they've grown into something fuller, something alive in a way you never expected. And isn't that the thing about growth? You rarely see it when you're in the middle of it, but when you step back, it's all there. I guess sometimes I've been too impatient, not just with them, but with myself too. Always waiting for the big changes, always expecting something to show, but these plants, they don't rush, they take their time. And they've taught me to do the same. To notice the curl of a new leaf, the way the soil smells after rain, the quiet joy of simply being here in this moment. And maybe that's enough.